Today we will learn how we can add a new data series to our Excel chart. So first let's create a chart. For this purpose I will select this data and then I will go to the Insert tab. Here I will click on this recommended chart and I will select this clustered column chart and click OK. I will resize this chart to fit into my screen. So this is the basic chart that shows the sales of the product A for the first 6 months of a year. Now if we want to add another product data to this same chart, then what we can do? First let's add another product data to this table. Here you can see that I have added the sales data of the product B and I want to display the sales in the same chart. For this purpose I will select this chart and under the chart design I will click on this select data. Here I will click on add and now for the series name I will select product B and for the series value I will click on this arrow and then select all the values for the product B. After this again I will click on this arrow and click OK and again OK. So you can see that now we have the product B data on the same chart and now we can easily compare the sales of the product A with the product B. If I also want to add the legend, I will click on this add chart element icon and here I will check this legend. I can place it anywhere on my chart. Now to make this chart look more professional, I will click on these grid lines and select them, and after this I will press the delete button from the keyboard. And if I want to change the font size, I will select this chart and under the home tab I will select any font type that I want. I can also change the size of the font or the color of the font. And that's it. Now you know how you can add a new data series to your Excel bar chart. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe to KnowHow for more practical Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.